Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find working coupon codes for eBay. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So the first one is by eBay themselves. You just need to head over to Google and search for eBay coupon codes and their official website will come up. Once you do, you'll see this thing called receive coupons and discounts where you have to put your email, and then once you put that in, they'll send you any code that is available. Next up we have LA Times. You just need to head over to Google and search for LA Times coupon codes of eBay, and the first website that comes up, click on that one and you'll see that they also have a bunch of coupons. Then we have time.com/coupons/ebay. You'll see that they also have a lot of them. Then we have couponfollow.com/site/ebay.com, and you'll see all of these coupons that are available. Then we have coupons.businessinsider.com/ebay, and they also have a bunch of them. Then we have Forbes. Last but not the least, we have customer favorite, which is Groupon. So you can also check them because this is pretty much a very trusted one. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.